see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What is?
See, this is Pacific is probably the best one.
Pacific? No, the last one's the best one, the aggressive one. Did he come with a bell? That is a legit bell. All right, what up YouTube? So we're doing a one-wheel group ride, the first one-wheel group ride of the channel. So Tampa, I guess, has a pretty dominant one-wheel community called the Tampa Float Crew. Yeah, this is like the first real ride. We rode yesterday, but some things happened. I may have a broken foot right now. Hey, hold on, I gotta stop. I think my leg just fell asleep. It's like I've been on the toilet too long. Let me off, bitch. My leg fell asleep. My leg fell asleep. Dude, my leg's for real asleep right now. I can't feel anything. Pins and needles. Anyway, just like anything, you gotta kind of get comfortable with this.
Keep going, guys.
See that burnout? Don't be showing off here, Amber. I gotta keep getting off and wiggling my toes. The goal is not to fall asleep today. So the guy I bought this from on eBay, he was 49 years old, had 6 miles on it, and he broke his collarbone. Wiggle my toes, wiggle my toes. Lewis, did you remember to wiggle your toes?
Wiggle your toes?
Yeah, you don't want to fall asleep. The only time this happens is when I take a long poop. We'll get there, Lewis. Remember your crappy wheelies when you first started? Oh, watch out, Lewis. Pace yourself, it's a long ride.
Yes, that is true.
Look where you're at now, man. And that's great. It smells like butthole out here. Did they go left? I'm assuming they went straight. Did you see a bunch of little skateboarders going this way? Yeah, all right, thank you. They're already drunk, done with their beers.
Yeah, I got it on.
Perfect. You guys been here long?
No.
Lewis has to charge his Pint. Can you live this life or do you need an XR? That's not bad. You'll be all right.
Yeah, I can get a whole book bag with an AC/DC thing.
With a battery converter, a big car battery in it. Yeah. What are you doing?
That's the edge right there.
Oh. You need to turn that headlight on, man. Pint life. This is exactly like the fucking Grom group, man. Yeah. Taking up all the lanes. One fucking guy trying to control everybody. Try to herd the cats.
Teacher said that. She's like, y'all are like herding cats.
Herding cats. This guy spilled his beer and his fender. Solid. Look at that. Look at that one wheel. How did you die? Well, funny story. Right up the butthole.
Oh, this is totally easy. Hey, what's the red light mean?
Red light? I don't know. You're dying. Ready, bud? You're holding up traffic, Luis. Chopper's up, Lewis. Yeah, chopper's up. Oh, this would be a good clickbait title. 31 wheels versus police chopper. Solid.
By the way, I haven't seen you here
Eric.
before. I'm flying.
Nice to meet you. Eric.
What's your name?
You've met me like 3
Photogromer,
times.
right?
Yeah.
I'm doing the same. Okay, now I'll remember. I'm just
To this page? Oh, nice. Appreciate it.
remember
Yeah.
that.
Appreciate that, man.
Is it your first ride?
Yeah. We rode yesterday. I ate shit. No. I'll fall down. I don't want to do that. Plow through, man.
I'll go this way.
What are you doing? What are you stopping for, Lewis? There's no backups. This is Mario Brothers. All right, we're going off-roading. There's a sidewalk there. What are you doing? All right, hold on. I'll try to go off-road here. Fuck it. Patience wins races. Bro, too easy. Come on, man. She said, why are there so many?
Is that why there were so
Yeah, she whispered. She's like, why are there so many? Hit it, Lewis.
many? Bend your knees.
Commit. Oh. I went over it. I don't want the kiddie section. I'm a man.
Just to get the feel.
Come here, you. Let's restart you.
Just don't even worry about the edge.
Oh. We're on a good start here.
Perfect.
It's actually easier going slower. I got this. I'm getting sponsored, bro. Let me show you my demo tape. Hey, we're going to Ybor to get pizza. You coming? All right, man.
Pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no call.
He looked at me all weird, like, what's he doing? What is that? It's a stick.
You say scooters? What the fuck kind of scooters? Scooters? There's a OneWheel! Say scooter! Say scooter again! Can we get away from the scooter stereotype? Stoplight, hit stoppy. Stoppy, 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 hit that shit. Turn around. Let's go through the hood. Ah! Oh, they're doing the mating
Cash
call.
money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh.
Hey, cops up here on the left. Cops, cops, cops. Tap your head. Yeah. What was that? Oh.
Yes, sir.
See you later, man.
Should have crashed into him.
I don't know. Cops, we've been looking for you. All right, that was fun. Oh, shit, dismount. Don't tell me how to live my life. You want the pint? You want the pint?
Yeah, I just want to show them the comparison between.
Oh, I thought you wanted to ride it.
Because they were asking questions. See how tight.
This one you could turn it on so it like shuts off if you go backwards, so it's like safer.
Yeah, I was telling them this one's cheaper than that one.
Yeah,
So.
Half the price on
that's for sale. It's only like $1,200 if you want to buy it right now.
But hold on, I think that's like $1,500. Now you're trying to get me. Oh man!
I bought this and then I wanted that, so then I bought that. Now I'm stuck with this one.
Because that one.
Got it.
Get on this side, right?
Yep, yep. Then
Hold on, yeah.
You can hold on.
Hold on until you get. All right.
so it's really nimble.
That's how Eric just gotta my arm until you get engaged.
It's gonna trigger. So
There
see
you go.
how
You
it
feel it?
triggers.
Okay. Yep. All right. Remember, lean back if you're going too fast. It's almost easier. All right. There you go.
Cash money like 504. Ball like
How do I stop? It is gone.
How do you stay on the skateboard? Just like that.
It's gonna be the Tampa PD OneWheel force.
There you go.
He's got it.
Got it.
Watch out, I want to race him.
Watch out,
Which way are you going? Ah, you were left. There's like 4 calls happening right now. They're like, ah, they'll be all right.
Yeah, it felt like I had no rail and actually get on. You know?
You can try that one. That one's easier. Like, it just doesn't have that simple stop, so, but it's more stable. It's slower speeds.
Like AD24. No sleep, need more.
That's how I get off, just like that.
We got everybody out here. I'll be all over the damn place. I'll be on medium. 10,000 swell.
Oh, yes. You got it.
I'm running. Very cool. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem, man. Be
Appreciate
safe.
it, Joe.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot, guys.
That's it, man. hopefully you guys enjoyed. All right, Lewis, didn't break anything?
No.
All right, good ride.